Ta-da! Here we are. This is the back of the cave.
Gee, Snuffy, it's kind of wet here.
Yeah, that's because the fishy-uppagus lives here first.
Oh, the fishy-uppagus?
Yep, it's a little snuffleupagus fish that lives in the water. Come here, I'll show you.
Now, wait a minute, Snuffy. Now, look, I don't want to disappoint you, but I know that the fishy-uppagus is going to be you.
Me?
Yes. You're going to take us to some water, and then you're going to look in, and you're going to think that you see a snuffleupagus swimming around, but you won't really be seeing that. You'll be seeing your reflection.
My reflection?
Yes, that's what it's called when you look in the water and you see yourself. See, it's like a mirror.
No, Maria. There really is a fishy-uppagus. He's right over here. Take a look.
Oh, look at that. There really is a fishy-uppagus. A little tiny snuffleupagus swimming like.
Wow, I'm sorry, Snuffy.
Oh, he's so cute. Look, Gabrielle.
Look,
A little fishy-uppagus.
Sesame Street was brought to you today by the letter B and the letter O and by the number 18. Sesame Street is a production of the Children's Television Workshop.